The Toque 2022 Winners Trip is a unique opportunity to take in the sights, sounds and tastes of the United Arab Emirates with some important learning opportunities along the way. First stop, the World Chefs Congress and Expo in Abu Dhabi. The winners are guests of Nestlé Professional and the head of global food at his special talk on the future of plant-based diets.
When you're going around in this exposition, you see there's many offers when it comes to plant-based. And that's good because it's not really a competition between the different companies. It is really we are developing each other, we are building on each other, making sure that we have a sustainable future, good for you and good for the planet. And I think this is probably a fantastic experience for them.
The Congress welcomes over 5,000 chefs from 110 countries. So this is the place for the winners to network. It's also an opportunity to watch over 70 competitors taking part in the Global Chefs Challenge. And with insights and learnings under their belt, it is time to move on. Time for some adrenaline fun at Ferrari and Waterworld.
This whole day was just packed full of things to do and new experiences that I've never had in my life personally, and I've enjoyed it, like every minute of it, and to think this is just the first day out of the whole week is just insane.
Next stop is Dubai and some desert action and an appreciation of Middle Eastern traditions.
Being given the opportunity to go around in a car and be jolted around down the sand dunes was amazing.
I've never ridden a camel before. They're really high up, but getting up and down is probably the scariest part, not riding them.
And after all that desert heat, a private yacht trip is called for.
Be on a yacht, experiencing the seas privately was amazing.
Of course, no winner's trip is complete without the taste of some of the finest cuisine, especially at the world-famous 7-star hotel, Burj Al Arab.
It's not just concentrated on one like Arabian food, it's a lot worldwide, which has been very interesting to see.
They just do everything to the next level.
And having enjoyed a whole host of gastronomic and luxury experiences, there is just enough time for the winners to take in the final sights and sounds of Dubai.
I told my mum at the start I want to get to Dubai. She said, just enjoy the journey. I said, oh I will, but I want to get to Dubai, and here I am.
It's been just incredible really, and just overwhelmed.
So to be here is amazing, and to see where I've come from on the journey to here, it's phenomenal really.